Yes, if you look at Borno State and the neighboring states, the cultural and language similarities are very, very, very close. Okay? The military can overcome it. Overcoming it is a function of intelligence. Okay? People, you see, the Boko Haram militants do not necessarily have to be 100% foreigners. Okay? I speak English. I'm not a Briton. Okay? Now, intelligence is key to these operations. And I want to believe that within the army, within the air force, within the security agencies, they have just enough intelligence. But as I'm telling you, as I speak to you, the body language I've seen in the past, getting to 9 months now, declared the state of emergency thing, it's actually pointing to someone who is robust enough to do the job, but is docile. Why would the army be docile?
It's a question that we're begging for answers.
Exactly. The army is only being docile because they are not given the go-ahead to do as they would want to do.
Go ahead in terms of...
Yes, indeed. Let me ask you a question. Why would you declare a state of emergency and leave a governor sitting? When you decide to bring the army in, it means all else has failed. That's democracy for you. And when you bring your generals in and give them a marching order, there will be no buts there, because we're assuming in the hallowed chambers you've exploited all the options and you've seen that there's only the big stick option.